We should be live here. Welcome back for the New York session. Okay, so new indicator, instant warp, SR fallback reversal, the best in the industry, if you ask me. What's important here is actually making sure you're actually understanding the risk management behind it. So it's about 0.2 to 0.5% risk management. Just so you're aware, I'm just letting you know. The first basic stop, where exit all, where I have this exit all, I don't know if you're aware of that, but you can see right here went short, but the exit all, that was yesterday, I didn't took this setup here because the software wasn't updated yet, but now it's launched. So for you that are a member of the software, you should have these updates. If you don't have them, you could simply turn them off. The old one, click there, delete, go to indicator, click invite only, and then you take these twos that you have. There's only two. So keeping it pretty simple. As you know, we have the news. The news looks good. I mean, market's still extremely overbought if you ask me. Many stocks are. So I'm not buying stocks. I would just like to follow my trading plan and be disciplined about this and go in once I see a very solid setup. So right here, we saw a push back to 169. It corrected itself, sold off 200 points from highs, bouncing back, correcting itself again, looks like that. So the opening range, as you can see, probably just gonna be like this. Look at setups right at opening. Here we go, not before, but here. Okay. We want to see the first 15 minutes forming. So far, this is the highs, this is the lows. I think we should still target overnight lows and take a short, like we didn't do yesterday. Well, let's see. Giving it time. I'm in a little bit too early here, just to be honest. I shouldn't be in that early. Should always wait the 15 minutes, but now we're in. So 10 minutes and we could trade. It's pushing here. Let's see. It's hard to predict when things is just in the middle. I wanted to push back here, take a short right there, or what I wanted to do is I wanted to push basically back to overnight lows and then take a long. Right here in the middle is extremely hard to predict what the market is going to do, and I'm just going to follow the software because that's my rules, that's my principles, that's now up and running. They should be adding a lot of value to you as well if you have a confidence in this system and you know how it works and how it's trading, right? No system can make you profitable, no trader, no mentor, if you do not trust the process and enjoy it and follow it and stick to it. So I can tell you what to do, but if you're not doing it and you don't have enough confidence to really follow it, then it's never going to work. So you could trust this. The back test is amazing. I'm using AI to update these parameters to see exactly what we should have in here as values, what stop could be good, what take profit could be good, when to trade, when to take a trade, when not to take a trade. I have already that for some years back, but I wanted more intense, more comprehensive, right? So right now, not going to change anything from how I trade, how I view the market, where I want to short, where I want to go out. It's not going to change my trading style. It's just going to know, and it's not just going to give you where to exit and entry better, and how to mitigate risk better, and maybe closing it a little later or a little before. It's just going to give you the right information, and we already have that placed and we already have that in the system, so you could follow it and you could trust it and you could build your confidence to it, and you could start making money, because once you start making a lot of money you start getting a lot of confidence, and then that's what we want to accomplish. If you start losing a lot of money, and you will not if you're following the right risk management, but if you start losing, then you will lose confidence and you're not super sure what to be doing. So market is actually not doing anything. I mean, US 30, that's Dow. I'm expecting that to sell off, and as well for DAX. So this is Dow that's selling off. Let's see DAX. We don't have any position. We made money in the morning. So with no positions opened, we could have made 60-70 points on DAX only. That didn't really rally, didn't really work out. So that's one trade that didn't work out, but we made money. That's the important part, right? The important part is we go in, we wait 15 minutes, we make money, we out. If it doesn't work after that and we're sitting longer, then we're just out, no matter what. Even if it could have been an amazing trade, we will still be out, because we don't want to hold for so long. We want to go in, take what the market can offer us. That's my edge, that's the system edge. The system here edge is identify a good opportunity, take it out, not hoping or holding it for hours and weeks and days and rely on a specific stop loss. No, in and out. It's very good for identify entries, but also this live session is good for you. They want to know when to exit, when to sell, when to take profit, when to stop trading, right? People have a lot of problem looking for setup the whole day and waiting and not taking it, and then implicitly they take it. Implicitly they do. That's the worst they could do. So US 30 is taking. US 30 selling off. We could see Nasdaq doing the same. I mean, it looks weak. It looks very weak. It now sold off a bit below. I could be down to short it before time, but I just have to wait for that 15 minutes to form. So we saw a push, we got rejected, we did not close above previous day's highs, market is not moving up for the first 15 minutes. Let's see after 15 minutes, but it's not breaking above and closing above overnight highs. So for me it's a short. I haven't done anything. I probably want to take it, but I'm still waiting a little bit here. I want to wait for that setup, that signal. So the setup and this system is not giving any signals, correct? Right? But I want to wait that first 15 minutes. It's very important. It's very important. So don't take a short just because it's getting rejected within 15 minutes. Okay? you have to wait 15 minutes, and then if it gets rejected and it don't close above in the next 2 minutes, we can take a short back. But wait the 15 minutes, because after 15 minutes, I always start seeing the market is reacting weird. And that's just the truth. So not much progress. It's pushing, getting rejected, bouncing back. I mean, it's not really doing anything. I mean, I really want to short that DAX soon. In the next minute or two. I mean, DAX is selling off. This is the orb high and low for the first 50 minutes. This is for NASDAQ indicator, just so you're aware. But if it breaks below, it's a short on DAX. This is the first 15-minute highs, lows for NASDAQ. If it breaks below, I'm short. So getting ready for a potential short position, okay? I know this could sell off, and I also know this could bounce back very quick. And I know this could rally till 100 very quick. So I'm aware of that risk, okay? Be aware of the risk. Just letting you know. It's a short right now, guys. I'm gonna open a short position on my live account. I just have to figure out where I want to place my stop loss. But my stop loss is probably gonna be at this hard exit. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me today. Okay, I'm gonna follow my system. I'm gonna go in short now. Right here at 34. I'm gonna have my stop loss at the opening range highs, okay? I have my take profit fixed at, probably gonna talk it more today. Let me just open it here. I also have to be a little bit careful about this market, because it could actually continue to rally. I haven't opened anything yet. Nothing is open on the Mirror trading account. Nothing is really open. I just got the setup. That's it. I haven't opened anything. Just letting you know. So no position is open for me personally. Just letting you know. Just letting you know, no positions. You can check it always on the Hansen app, search up my name. I thought I would open it and I thought I would just go in quick short, but I'm not. But what I think it will do is I think it will go down again. Yeah, let's open short now I'm gonna open up the mirror trading account. I would like to target my TP2. I like to have my stop loss this time here, just at overnight highs, probably 240. I'm gonna execute here. So I'm opening up a light short position, just informing you, just letting you know that I'm opening up a light short position. So don't copy me if you don't accept the risk, because this could really push very quick. So now I've opened a short. I have my stop loss at 240, and the market is pushing against us. Yeah, 240 is where I have my stop. It is an orb short. Let's see, it could go higher. So we have our entry at 16. Stop loss right now. I'm using it to enter the market. This is my entry, okay? Stop loss is very tight. You have to adjust it. I mean, you could always go in here and adjust your stop loss points from the entry. Let's see if it's gonna turn here in a couple of seconds. This is your entry. You could always wait a little bit here. It's still an orb short, nothing have changed. But things is pushing actually. Things is really pushing today. It's a big push. I'm very surprised. My stop loss at 240. The market is really rallying. Wow. Now we're getting above orb high. Doesn't look good. I'm considering if I should add to this one here. Really impressive. It just went up from lows, orb 25,000. It went up 160 points. What's going on? There's something wrong here. I mean, it's interesting. Let's see if the market turns. I have my stop loss at 240. Right? My target is down here. I still think it's an orb short. It could go up today. It could be a long day today. I mean, market is actually pushing. So on that position here, we are currently losing 20 points. Our entry was simply too quick. So if I was tuning in 15, 16 minutes over, as I'm always am, but not today, I don't know why, then I wouldn't have taken a short here because I was first being on when things was around here, and then I would wait for it to come down and then sell below orb. And then maybe around 4 o'clock or maybe a little bit before, then I'll take a short and then target yeah, then take my profit. So bad entry today. It's going to be interesting to see if the market is going to turn around or if it's just going to be extremely bullish. In profit now, 6 points up. Nope, it's just pushing all the way back again above my entry, but it just got back to 100. Still short. Doesn't look that good. So let's see here. Market is moving up again. I mean, things is really, every time I enter the market, it really goes against me right at it. That's annoying. And then after half an hour, I'm right. After 1 hour, I'm right. And then I make a fortune, but I start risking a lot of money. So I start risking like a fortune. I start risking like today. I'm not risking that much, but yesterday I was risking crazy numbers just to make 50K. I know this is telling me to exit, and I should maybe. It's been half an hour and no really progress. So they just took the orb short liquidity. They pushing it like crazy. It's just confusing, but I'm still short. Still have my stop. I'm very surprised that the market is so strong, but it also sold off. It sold off in the pre-market. It sold off a lot yesterday. I even think if you look yesterday here, I think it corrected itself a bit from highs to lows. Yeah, it's still pointing down. What about this month? Yeah, it could come back, but it could also skyrocket. And right now, things is just pushing against me. Looks like it's gonna go to 200. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it simple today. I'm in short, around 16. I'm losing money right now. It's a short, not really confirmed. What I'm gonna do instead here is I'm gonna stop the stream because I don't want to look at this because then it's gonna get annoyed. But I would like to target over night lows, okay? So my target for my short is gonna be overnight lows, okay? Lows, and that's gonna be at 24,858. That's my target. And my stop loss is still the same. I'm risking about 1% here of my account balance. If it goes to 240, I'll lose 1%. If it goes to 840, I'll make about 3%. So it's on 1 to 3R, I'm making about 3%. If it goes back, if it goes up, I'll lose 1. So no more trading. Now I want to go to the gym and I want to hold the setup here and not look at it. I'm not adding to it. I'm not going crazy. And normally, myself, personally, I would add a lot here, but I'm not doing it today because now I just wanted to play out to see where it's going to go. I'll let you know once I exit, okay? So I'll let you know once I take profit or get